Today, I'm thrilled to introduce you to the Vesta Precision V553 Chamber Vacuum Sealer, a game changer for meal prepping, marinating, and long-term food storage. This powerful, commercial-grade vacuum sealer is here to make your life easier. The V553 stands out for so many reasons. Let me highlight a few of its key features. The SmartVac function intelligently adjusts vacuum time based on food size. No guesswork required. It has a mason jar function with universal adapters, perfect for vacuum sealing jars of soups, sauces, or even pickled veggies. The included accessory hose lets you vacuum seal canisters, air valve bags, and even preserve wine bottles. It's compatible with all vacuum bags, including Mylar bags, and has a Marinate function for fast, flavorful results. Plus, the powerful dry vacuum pump ensures consistent performance, and the removable CleanTray makes cleanup a breeze. And with its large chamber, you can seal liquids, powders, meats, and more. It's truly a versatile tool for any kitchen. Let's start with a classic, marinated garlic butter steak. I've got 2 ribeye steaks here, and I prepared a marinade with butter, olive oil, soy sauce, Worcestershire sauce, minced garlic, smoked paprika, salt, and pepper. Using the SmartVac mode, I'll place the bag in the chamber, close the lid, and press start. The V553 automatically senses the food volume and adjusts the vacuum time for a perfect seal. This ensures the marinade penetrates deeply into the meat, giving you restaurant quality flavor. After sealing, I'll marinate it in the fridge for a few hours, or overnight for even better results. When it's time to cook, you can grill, sous vide, or pan-sear the steak to perfection. Next up, let's make a pickled veggie medley. I've got carrots, cucumbers, radishes, and cauliflower here. I'll pour a homemade pickling brine into the bag, making sure the veggies are fully submerged. With the V553, I can use the customized vac mode to manually adjust the vacuum time for delicate items like these. Just press the customized vac button, set the vacuum time, and press start. The vacuum process infuses the brine into the veggies quickly, so they're ready to enjoy in just 24 hours. And the best part? They'll stay fresh and crisp for weeks. Finally, let's prepare marinated citrus herb chicken. I've mixed fresh orange and lemon juice, olive oil, honey, garlic, and herbs for a bright, zesty marinade. Using the Marinate function, I'll place the chicken in the chamber, select the Marinate option, and press Start. The V553 will vacuum and release air cycles, infusing the chicken with flavor in just 18 minutes. This is perfect for busy weeknights when you want a quick, flavorful meal without waiting hours for marination. The V553 isn't just for bags. You can also vacuum seal mason jars and canisters. For jars, just attach the accessory hose, place the adapter on the lid, select the mason jar option, and press Start. And when it comes to cleanup, the removable CleanTray and washable seal bar make it super easy to keep your machine spotless. Whether you're meal prepping, storing leftovers, or preserving seasonal produce, the V553 has you covered. And with its 2-year warranty, you can trust it's built to last. So there you have it. The Vesta Precision V553 Chamber Vacuum Sealer in action. From marinating to meal prepping to long-term food storage, this machine does it all. If you're looking for another option, check out the V513 model on the Vesta Precision website. But if you're ready to take your kitchen game to the next level, the V553 is the way to go. Happy vacuum sealing and share your favorite recipes in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Bye.